Make a great choice today with
the 2026 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, moonroof, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.